Hello everyone, it's Jen from Old Tinkerer Studio. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to use markers for animation in Blender 2.83. So let's get on with the tutorial. Markers are used in Blender to mark frames with key points or significant events within an animation. This could include things like when an animation starts, the camera changes position, or a vehicle enters the frame. The standard marker is shown as a small white triangle. When the marker is selected, it is filled with a gray color. When the marker is not selected, it is devoid of color. To deselect a marker, simply click anywhere outside of the marker's triangle. To select the marker, use the left mouse button and click on the marker's triangle. You can also use Shift and the left mouse button to select multiple markers. When it is selected, you'll also see a dashed line appear on the keyframe. Blender does not allow you to add markers when you are in the 3D viewport. However, once you have a marker created, you will notice the name of the marker in the top left corner of the 3D viewer. The simplest way to add a marker is to move to the frame where you want it to appear and then press M. In the Dope Sheet, Graph Editor, and Timeline, you can select all the markers with A while you're hovering over the marker row. You can also select multiple markers by box selecting them. You can do this by holding down the left mouse button and dragging across the markers. You can also duplicate markers by using Shift-D. Once duplicated, you can then use your mouse to drag the new marker to a new location. It is also possible to duplicate a marker to a different scene. This is done by selecting the marker, then under the Marker drop-down menu, choose Duplicate Marker to Scene, and then choosing the scene from that menu. To delete a marker, select the marker, and then use X, and then confirm the pop-up message asking if you want to delete the marker. To rename a marker, select the marker, and then use Ctrl-M to bring up the Rename Marker dialog box, and then rename the marker and click OK. You can move markers by selecting a marker or multiple markers and using G and then drag your mouse. Once you have the marker in place, click your left mouse button. If you choose the right mouse button, the movement will be cancelled. Under the Marker drop-down menu, you also have the option to jump to the next marker and jump to the previous marker. If you have a request for a tutorial or a question about Blender, feel free to leave a comment. If you're interested in learning more about 3D art and animation, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.